There's a hidden formula behind some of the most viral videos on YouTube right now, and almost no one is talking about it. What if I told you that with just a few free AI tools, you could create these videos in minutes and potentially earn thousands every single month? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact method successful faceless YouTubers are using to dominate YouTube. And the best part? Anyone can do it. AI-generated content is exploding right now, and faceless YouTube channels are a proven way to build passive income without ever showing your face. People assume these videos require expensive software or advanced editing skills, but the truth? You can fully automate them using AI, and today, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it. Step 1. Generating your story with AI. Every viral video needs a compelling story, and guess what? AI can write it for you. I use ChatGPT with a custom prompt to generate a script that includes all the scenes and dialogue. You can copy my exact prompt from the description and tweak it for different variations. Step 2. Creating AI-generated images. Now, let's bring the story to life. For this, we'll use AI image generators like Ideogram, Midjourney, or Leonardo AI. Here's a trick. Copy the prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into Ideogram, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos, and hit generate. Within seconds, you get hyper-realistic images ready for animation. Step 3. Turning images into animated video. Now, let's make our static images move. AI animation tools like Hailo, Pika, and Runway can transform these stills into dynamic videos with just one click. I prefer Hailo, and that is what I will be using. Just upload your AI-generated image, apply camera movement effects, and let the AI do the work. Boom! Your video is starting to take shape. Step 4. Editing and enhancing the video. Now that we have our clips, it's time to edit everything together. I use CapCut because it's free, easy to use, and packed with features. Here's how to make your videos pop. Set video ratio to 9:16 for shorts and reels. Add sound effects like Messi and Ronaldo's voices or crowd reactions. Use engaging transitions to keep the flow smooth. See the difference? These little details can make your videos go viral. Monetization, turning views into money. Alright, let's talk about the part you've been waiting for, how to make money from these videos. Here are 3 ways to monetize faceless AI videos. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts paying you for ads. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools and editing software and earn commissions. Sponsorships. Brands will pay thousands to get featured in viral videos. Some faceless channels are making over $15,000 per month just by applying this strategy. The key? Consistency and optimization. Why you need to start now? Now, you might be thinking, can I really do this? Look, every successful YouTuber started with 0 views. The only difference? They took action. Imagine where you could be 6 months from now if you just start today. Now, here's what to do next. Subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials and drop a comment below what's stopping you from starting your faceless channel today. And don't forget, check out the next video where I reveal the top AI tools to automate your YouTube growth.